Welcome everyone to this channel. We are the Boho Bus, and today we are going to talk about something that has never been talked about on YouTube before. It is how to make extra money on your YouTube videos without doing anything. You're going to get a check in the mail, and all you have to do is keep making your videos. Or if you've already made a nice chunk of videos, then you're going to get some money off of those videos. That is what this video today is all about. You might be thinking, how is that possible? How can I earn money off of my already made videos when I'm already earning money with YouTube? Through Google Adsense. That's how they do it, right? Well, yeah, you can still earn your money off of YouTube the natural way, but there's a company out there who will literally pay you. That's right. They'll pay you money to run your videos. So they do all the work and you get a check, 25%. Now, you big time YouTubers out there, you'd be like, 25%, that's nothing. I want to make the full percent. Okay, that's what you have YouTube for. So if you're already there, great. Like, this is not probably for you, but at the same time, anybody who wants to earn money, what's the harm in letting somebody earn money for you with your videos, give you a chunk of payment there. Plus, even if you're a big timer, then you're still earning your money on your videos through YouTube. So I still don't see the harm in letting somebody else take your work and give you some money when they're doing all the work, advertising your stuff, and it's makes perfect sense. Money is money. So before we get all derailed, let's talk about what I'm talking about. What is this? Who is going to take my videos and pay me money for videos? You may be asking. Or maybe you're not. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about my situation without the light coming in all horribly like it is. All right, so here's the deal. I think that this video is going to be the most beneficial for smaller YouTube channels that are just starting off with their monetization. They still just are at that 1,000 subscribers. Maybe they're a little over 1,000, 1,200, 1,300. They just accomplished that 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 watch hours. And, they're trying to grow. They want to see the monetization. They want to see a little check coming in. So you're Googling and you're searching ways to find out how to grow your channel, how to make money on your channel. This video is going to help those people like me. So currently, Boho Bus has 1,685 subscribers when I checked a few minutes ago. And we have well over 4,000 watch hours. I mean, probably double that, 8,000, probably more than that. I mean, really, the watch hours are there. I just spit all over the computer. So Boho Bus channel was monetized in March of 2020. And then I got an email in July of 2020. So about 2.5 months later, I had been monetized, right? And by then, I wasn't earning more than $50 a month those first couple of months, okay? So then I got an email, and I'll let you guys kind of see what's going on here. On July 17th from a company It said, so that was pretty straight. It says, hey there, I work for Voov Media. Voov Media. Have you ever heard of them before? I hadn't. The minute that I got this email, I thought it was a total fake. We came across your YouTube channel. We love your video content. We'd like to use your content on our network of 50 million plus Facebook followers. Here's a list of benefits from letting us use your content. Get paid 25% of the net revenue generated. It's a non-exclusive agreement, so you can get in it, you can get out of it. Distribution of up to 50 million audience members, and the content is only posted on Facebook. Well, Boho Bus is on Facebook, but only as like a page. We have a Facebook page. That's where we got started. We have about 600 and something followers on there. And I post all the links to our YouTube channels. I talk about bus stuff. We upload pictures, but that's really the extent of our Facebook. I don't upload the actual videos that I do onto YouTube, which now I'm kicking myself in the butt that I wish I had, because Facebook's got a whole set of their own monetization and videos, and you have to have so many watch minutes and followers and all that stuff, way higher than YouTube's expectations. And I'm so behind in all that, but that's a whole nother can of worms. Anyway, Voov Media, who are they? What are they doing? Is this real? Like, are they really going to pay me 25% to just use my videos? And that's it? Okay. There's a name on here. There's some contact information. I responded. I'm like, heck yeah. So I responded. I said, I'm interested in looking over that contract. Can you send me more information? And then 2 days later, they responded. Hi, Ashley. Thank you for your reply and your interest in partnering with Voov Media. So then they just go over the same stuff that they said in the email. So pretty simple stuff. They just basically say, here's what we can do for you again. You need to go and create a link on their website. You need to fill out some paperwork. And it's Andrea again who responded to me in the first, who sent me the first email. So that's promising. So at this point, they've left me a phone number. They've left me an email. They're sending me paperwork. They have a website. He's really trying to ruin this video. This fly. So, long story short, Boho Bus signed up. We definitely signed up. I still didn't believe it. I went to Google to try to look for Voov Media. They did have the website, but honestly, all I could find was a couple of Reddit questions, just like these, talking about it, asking if it was real or not. And then there was a couple of comments from people saying, yeah, it's real, we got paid, and we get paid. That's all the comments said. So going off of all that, which was really nothing to go off of, I'm like, I'm doing it. So that was the end of that. I turned in all the paperwork. I signed up on the website and gave permissions to use my videos, and I shared, all I had to do was basically share the link to my channel, and that was it. I didn't have to upload the videos or do anything special. I just gave permission for them to go to my channel and use the videos. So after July 17th, and I sent in my information, I didn't hear anything for a while. In fact, I got an email on September 8th. And the email was from Voov again, basically saying, hey, wanted to follow up on a previous email, see if you still want to generate revenue with your YouTube videos through us. And I was like, yeah, like I responded right away. I said, yeah, guys, I set up an account with you back in July. I'm still very interested. Haven't heard or seen anything. And they said, oh, we're sorry. We sent you that email again. We'll be in touch with you soon, but disregard it, basically. So then I was just kind of left in the dark, and on September 8th thinking, I don't think this is working. I'm sure they're probably working on it, but they probably aren't really making any money off of it. And, I'm still a small YouTuber, so, and my income on YouTube is just basically like a little savings account right now, which is great. So I wasn't expecting anything more than what I was already making on YouTube. And, so I had no expectations. I didn't think that this was real. Well, it is real, guys, because on September 29th, which was just yesterday, I got an email from Voov saying, hope all is well. I won't show you the actual invoice with, actually, no, maybe I will. But it says, hope all is well. Attached is your invoice for August from your views with Voov Media. We are sending payment with this invoice for revenue generated in August. Please allow 3 business days to process. Please fill out a W-9 the next time we send you an email, which will be here soon. Thank you for being a part of Voov Media Creator Network, and we look forward to generating more revenue with you. So I pulled up the statement, and wow. Yeah, it's got personal information on it, but it is telling me that I have made oh no, I'm going to just show this to you. Never mind. All right, so I'm covering up my personal information right there. But basically, you can see this is an invoice. It says from August 1st to August 31st from Voov. And it says this is how much they were making, RPM. They made $276.32 off of my video or videos or whatever. I don't even know what videos. It seems like it was just one video. And yeah, that's how much they made. And then if we scroll to the bottom here, it says, thank you for your business. The $276.32, revenue 25%. I made a whopping $69.08 for nothing. $69.08. Okay, well, first of all, I saw the $276.32 and went, got really super excited. That was cool. How they made $276.32 off of my videos or video, I don't know. That's pretty crazy. I haven't even made that much in my YouTube channel in 1 month. So they're doing pretty good, it seems like. So now I'm sitting here thinking, I still don't believe that this is real. Is this money really going to come to me? Well, turns out it did today. So I got that email yesterday saying, you know, money is going to be on its way. And I had previously selected the option to do PayPal as my payout option, which will charge a fee for the funds, but so will the other options that they had. There was like a transfer to your bank account that you could do, but I wasn't sure if this company was legitimate or not, and I didn't really want to give out my bank account information, so I set it up for PayPal, and it worked just fine. I got the deposit this morning, and PayPal did take out their $2.30 out of the $69, so I ended up with like $66 or something like that. So but it's real. It happened. So it's a real thing. And you do get paid. And I look forward to next month to see what I get for September. If it's more, if it's less, we're going to have to see and update you guys here soon. If you have ever been contacted by Voov Media, I suggest that you say yes. Like, I don't think there's really a lot of harm in using them, especially if it's a non-exclusive contract that you can just get out of pretty easily. So if you just blew up all of a sudden and now you're like, nope, I don't want even a little bit of money anymore off to the side. I don't need these guys. It's all mine now. Then you can just end it. It's not a big deal. So that's really all I wanted to share with you guys today. I'll include maybe a little bit more information at the end of this video on anything else that I might have missed or didn't think of. I feel like it's a little bit of a hidden gem, really, that I'm sharing with everybody. And part of me doesn't even want to share this with anybody because I don't want a whole bunch of people to be on using Voov Media and stealing my money, but I don't think it's like that. I think they're out there and they're going to send people these contracts that they want to send. So if they see you and they want to work with you, then it's done. It's a done deal unless you say no. But anyway, that's that. If you liked this content, please give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more, please subscribe to our channel. We are very appreciative of every single subscriber that we have. We started from 0 and now we're at 1,685, and I look at you guys every single day and I appreciate everybody. And that's why this video is important to me, because I feel like it's not always all about making the money all the time, especially starting off when you don't have a big following that happens to you all of a sudden. Like, some channels don't get that lucky. In fact, a lot of channels don't get that lucky. So you should still be proud of what you've achieved and what you've accomplished. If you've earned 1,500 subscribers, that's pretty awesome. So feel good about that. And also feel good about a company like this who's contacting you saying they like your stuff, even if you are a smaller channel, and they want to help you and they want to help you earn a little money. Like, that's an accomplishment and you should be proud of that. So go Voov Media, go you for creating some awesome stuff, and keep going out there and doing cool things. And subscribe to our channel because we need you. Every subscriber counts. Bye-bye.